This way, you can easily install and remove your seat. Make sure that the seat is locked in place. Use the outer levers on the seats to fold the seats down first. Pull the release handles for the rear seat anchorage upwards and tilt the seat bench upwards. Move the bench seat to the desired position using the grab handles. Open the release handle upwards. When removing the seat, it may happen that the rails get stuck between the locking points, which can lead to an uneven position of the rails. When the seat is then reinstalled, it no longer fits into the rails. In this case, use the special tool from Mercedes-Benz to align the slides in the rails parallel to each other at the marking. After that, the seats can be installed without any problems. To install the seats, grasp the rear seat by the handles and insert the front seat anchors diagonally from the front top. Now let the rear seat tilt backwards so that it locks into place. The release handles then fold down automatically. Finally, fold the rear seat back into the seating position.